Welcome to my channel. My name is ODETOLA Ebenezer Israel. If you are new here, I create content that are relevant to teachers in the classroom in terms of integrating of arts into the curriculum, beautifying of the learning environment, and also integrating of technology into learning. And today I am going to be teaching you how to set up your Google Meet. To me, Google Meet is just like an alternative to Zoom live conferencing, and I'm very sure you are going to find this video interesting at the end of this video. So stay tuned and I will be right back. Welcome back. I'd like you to take your time to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'm very sure you will do so. So straight to the point, today I am going to be taking you through how to start up your Google Meet live video conferencing. Very simple. Let's go to the page that we are going to be using for this. Very simple. On your PC, if this is your PC, what you are going to do is very simple. Just go to your PC and click on the 9 button. These are the button over here, and then when you scroll down, you are going to see Google Hangouts. It's called Hangout, but I don't like to go through this part. I go through calendar. So when I click on my calendar, I'm going to generate my link, schedule my video, and then from there I can send to anywhere I actually want to send it to. So what am I going to do right now? Waiting for my calendar to load, and if this is my calendar, what I need to do is to just drag down. So when I drag down, I think I can still even create on it. So okay, drag down. The moment I drag down, it actually brought this. This is where I drag down. The moment I drag down, then I have title. Okay, meeting with EBEN. Okay, so if I want a reminder on calendar, fine. And the next thing I'm going to do, I can add guests. I can do all of that. So I want to just go right away to add video conferencing. So add Google Hangouts. So the moment I add Google Hangouts, this is my link, the link to copy to send to anywhere I want to, whether WhatsApp, whether any LMS that we are using in the classroom. So I copy the link. The moment I copy the link, the next thing I'm going to do is to if I want more option, there are other option there where you can do a lot, like add description of your event and more. So I'm not going to be working on all of that. When I'm done, I save. The moment I save, my event is there now. So what I'm going to do is to right click on my event, then I use the word join meeting. So when I use the word join meeting, it's going to show my video right away. Getting ready, camera is starting, and I use the word okay, my camera started. So I use the word join meeting. Remember, I've copied the code. So what I'm going to do is if I'm using like Google Classroom right now, let me open my Google Classroom. Open my Google Classroom. So if this is my Google Classroom, I can come right here and write it on the stream page that they should join me for the live. Join me now, and add link. So when I click on add links, I paste the link, then I add the link. So the moment they click on this link, they are going to find themselves with me immediately. So I would like you to do that. If you are using Google Classroom, anywhere you are using, you can also send it as WhatsApp message to anybody. You can also email that. So this is my this is where I actually created. This is my Meet Google Hangouts, and then if I have anybody that is joining me, their video will also be showing below. My audio is smooth, and very sure that my video is this is where I can actually chat with everyone, how many people online, just one and more. There's one thing I actually like about this video is that I can turn on caption. What's caption? Caption is the ability to subtitle what I'm actually saying. So I'm trying to turn off caption. Okay, subtitle. So okay, my audio is smooth. Okay, so I try to let me on my audio. Maybe because I am using the audio for something else. So over here, turn up audio. So my audio is on. Okay, microphone is not actually detecting any okay, my microphone is on right now. It's going off, it's going off. So one of the things I actually like about this is that when I turn on my microphone right now, I have the ability to, it's going to be subtitling everything I'm saying right here. I'm going to do a video of that right away, and you will see. So the next video you are going to be seeing now is the video of how it looks like. Take your time, look at this video, and I'm very sure you will like this. Thank you. So that is how it works. As you can see, it was fun using that. Anything I'm saying is going to be subtitling it, and this is fun. I so much, maybe this is one of the features I use in liking this app called Google Meet Hangouts. So very sure anything you are saying is going to be subtitling this, and you can share your screen, and it's very nice to make use of. So how do you share your screen? So to share your screen, just click on the more button. Okay, present now. Just click on present now, and you can share your entire screen. You can share a particular window, and you can share your Chrome tab. I would like you to explore this, and I am very sure that I have actually given you an alternative to Zoom live conferencing. So this is Google Meet Hangout or Hangouts Meet, and this is very nice application to make use of. I so much enjoy using this app. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel, and very sure you are going to be getting more content from this channel. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Thank you.